Hi guys, welcome back to my mathematics tutorial, and my name is Peter C. Dopo Jr., math instructor at the University of Liberia and your math tutor. In my today's lecture, I will be discussing formation of differential equations, and we have solved a few problems on the formation of differential equations. So we want to solve another problem now, which will be the seventh problem. So the problem says that we must find the DE of the family of curves y equals to e raised to the power mx. So how can we find the DE of this family of curve y equals to e raised to the power mx? Take note that the number of arbitrary constants within the equation determines the number of times you are to differentiate. So since we have one arbitrary constant, which is just m, we must differentiate once. So the derivative of this now will just be y prime equals to, now it's e raised to the power mx times the derivative of mx, which will just be m. So this will give us y prime to be equal to m e raised to the power mx. But we cannot say we have gotten our final answer, because we need to solve for m. So we go back to the original equation to solve for m. So from this original equation we have y equals to e raised to the power mx. Well, how can we easily solve for this m? We know that if we take the ln of y and take the ln of e raised to the power mx, we'll be able to solve for m, because note that the ln of e is equals to 1 and e raised to the ln of x is just equals to x. So if we take the ln of both sides, also the ln of a raised to r is equals to r the ln of a. So this a represents our e and mx represents our r. So we have to drop that expression. So ln of y equals, so if we bring this mx down, we have mx ln of e. So what is ln of e? ln of e is just 1. So it's ln of y equals mx times 1. So we can now divide both sides by x. So m now will be equals to ln of y all over x. Then we go to the problem. We know that y prime equals to m e raised to the power mx. So y prime equals to m now is ln of y all over x, e raised to ln of y, so let me do it properly, ln of y all over x is our m, and then times x. So what happens to x? X and x cancel, so we'll just be left with y prime equals to ln of y all over x times e raised to the ln of y. So e raised to ln of y, e raised to ln of x is equal to x. So e raised to ln of y is equal to y. So y prime equals ln of y all over x times y. So y prime finally will just be y ln of y all over x. Or we could rewrite this differential equation as y prime minus y ln of y all over x equals to 0. This is one way we could write it. Another way is we could multiply the entire expression by x. So y prime minus y ln of y equals to 0. So if we do that, we'll have x y prime minus x y. Now you cannot say because this is x, so x times this, x and x will go out. So it's just y ln of y equals to 0. Or if you want to use dy by dx, you can say x dy by dx plus or minus now y ln of y is equals to 0. So there are several ways that we can, we can write the differential equation. So there's a differential equation for this family of curve. Thanks ever so much for watching. See you in our next lecture. Please don't forget to subscribe.